Good morning. It's been a long time. I'm grateful for this beautiful day. It is Tuesday, May 7th, as y'all can see up here. I was gonna come back tomorrow because I had jury duty today, that but I was not called. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing. All right. So during my time off, I decided that I'm going to try to trade only the 10 to 11 and 2 to 3 silver bullet. My desktop layout has changed a little bit. This is the Top Step X. It's their new platform that I'm kind of testing out. I have about 6 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 accounts. I took advantage of their $19 code for a 50K account. And I am using their trade copier. So this is the Top Step X platform that I'm going to be trading on. And this is TradingView that's integrated into Top Step X platform. Okay, so just to give you all a little overview, it's probably really hard to see. I have the trade copier on. I'm not going to be syncing 2 accounts just in case, but this is the leader account right here. 184. 184 is the leader account. And I have selected these 4 accounts to follow this leader account. All right. The reason why you see a balance here is because I was testing it out yesterday, and it works pretty well. Risk settings. I automatically put in position risk profit brackets, so I'm only going to be risking $200 per trade. I'm targeting 2 to 1, right? And my daily loss limit, oops. Targeting 2 to 1. That's what I'm going to do. 195 to 405 to account for commissions and fees. My personal daily loss limit is going to be $405 per day, and it automatically liquidates and blocks a position if it goes to that. Personal daily profit goal, I didn't put anything there, but this is basically to help me stop trading once I hit my personal daily loss limit on these 5 accounts. All right. Charts and data, I just did, fast chart plot, right? Privacy, I mean, I could have done a streamer mode to hide all of this, but I'm going to share all this information with y'all. This is my new setup. These are the charts, TradingView integrated, buy, sell, market, my accounts, positions down here, orders, trades, quotes. Tilt, I'm not really sure what this is, so I need to look more into that, but let's get into the charts. A lot of things have happened when I was out. We are in a market maker buy model at the moment, and it closed over the daily fair value gap right here. It inversed. So what I'm expecting now is price to come down to rebalance this imbalance and then come back up. There's a lot of LRLR here, low resistance, liquidity raid that could possibly happen. Looking at the 1 hour fair value gap, yeah, it definitely inversed, right? So if you pull this all the way over here, I could definitely see price wanting to come back down into here and then pump up if it wanted to. There is another fair value gap up here that I'm going to be watching out for, but I don't think this is this fair value gap is a little concerning. I think it's going to fail. So when I say I think it's going to fail, I think it's going to fail as a bearish PD array. All right. So I'm expecting price to completely run this pool of liquidity sometime this week or next week. I don't know. That's what I'm watching out for. Price is currently resting in this imbalance, this busy. All right, so we're going to be looking out for that. Drilling down to the 15-minute. Let's look at drilling down into the 15-minute chart. 1 hour and the 15-minute both share the same fair value gap. Both kind of going consolidating within it. This is telling me that these highs are going to be taken out. So I am going to be looking for longs during the silver bullet hour. If it raids this, before 10 a.m., then I'm going to be looking for shorts during the silver bullet hour to kind of come back down for a retracement. Yeah, in the lower time frames, it looks like we're in a market maker sell model. So I'm actually expecting these lows to be taken out as manipulation during 9:30 open. So we'll see what happens. We don't have any news today. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we do, and Friday we do have some red folder news. All right, so that's kind of what we're looking at the moment. If you all have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K this year. Let's see if I hit it. And also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out my channel. All right, y'all. It's right before 9:30, 9:30 open now. And I just wanted to let you all know that I am getting a great deal of FOMO. I'm feeling a lot of FOMO right now because I missed this entire move up. Like if you go down, if you look at this chart here between ES and NQ, you can see that it made a very, very large S&T divergence, which signaled a reversal up to previous day's highs, which I thought that it was going to take out. This was a perfect ICT 2022 entry right here on the 5-minute chart, taken all the way up there. So that's like a 40 handle move almost. So I was getting a little bit of FOMO, but I am gonna be waiting for another trade. I'm not sure where price will go at the moment. It looks like there is a bearish divergence right now between price, so we could see rebalancing over here, and then we could see price come up to this imbalance right here on the 1 hour. There's an imbalance right there, and then there's a high right there that I do believe that price may take out today, but that's a $148 move, 148-point move. It's definitely possible. There's no news today, so we could just see a melt up, a slow melt up, and that's what we're kind of waiting for at the moment. This imbalance right here was nice, right here. This imbalance was a great entry there that I missed also. But we're gonna be, I'm gonna try to stay very patient. All right, just got stopped out. We gotta revisit everything. Okay, what a limit buy there. Okay, I'm in. I'm gonna be targeting this high right there, actually. I do believe price is supposed to head up higher, so that's gonna be my sell. All right, stopped out for a profit. We're up 74.40 right now at the moment. Let's see what this retracement does. Already targeting just a small gain right there. Took a $30 loss. Okay. I'm gonna look for another trade. Today's price action kind of seems like it's seek and destroy. Reason why I entered that is because it closed. Inverse fair value gap on the 32nd. We'll see how this does. Rebalance this volume imbalance. Actually want to see price hit 930 open again, which is in line here, so we'll see. Trail my stop. It's a risk-free trade now. Stopped out for $25. Price is way too clean here. I think this low needs to price wants to take out this low, honestly. But we'll see. I'm just gonna take profits there. I don't like how price is reacting off of this imbalance right here. My stop is too tight. Let's try that again. Oh, price hit 930 open. I don't like that. Okay, let me just exit. So I entered this trade here as soon as the candle closed and then came back a little bit. Because it reacted very nicely off of this fair value gap, and I thought it was gonna head up more. Doesn't look like it's doing that at the moment, so I could be taking a loss on this one, yo. So my realized profit right now is at 203.40. You know what? I'm just gonna take. I need the base hits, and I just need to stop trading, yo. This is so dumb. I need to stop. Continuing to trade like this is self-sabotage. So I need to take the base hits on days like this and then just call it a day. Let's see what price does here. If it allows me to, come back up into the green, I think I'm just gonna close it. All right, I just closed it. I mean, it very much looks super bullish at the moment, but it's past 11 a.m. So I shouldn't even be trading right now. So that's what I'm going to be practicing. I'm going to stop trading right now. I'm up 217, and you know what? I'm just going to be done. I'm going to be done for the day. Let's look at the performance stats. So my daily balance, I don't know what that is. Okay, so yesterday we did 234 as a test. Today took a total of 20 trades. I don't like that. We need to trim that down a little bit more. 16 winning trades, 4 losing trades. The 4 losses were pretty minimal. We did 217 across 5 accounts. So we were trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 217, do the math. Overall, I think I did pretty well controlling my emotions. There were times where I entered trades based off what I was seeing on the price, and it wasn't A plus trades. So I definitely could have taken less trades today. Um, and I think my win rate would have been a lot better. My profit would have been pretty much the same, but it would have been less stress, right? So my mental stress would have been less. So moving forward, I just need to remember that, I'm only taking A plus setups. My bias was correct. We were long. I did take a short that I took a loss on. I think I just need to continue to trust my bias, my analysis, and then take trades only in the direction that I believe price will go, right? And enter high probability setups. Today I did well trailing my stop losses so that I won't be taking a loss on a lot of the other trades. Eventually, I just want to be at a place where I can set my trade, monitor it a little bit, and then just walk away and just call it a day. But today was not a bad day overall. I just didn't like that I took 20 trades, but we'll work on that. I did very well managing my risk. I didn't hit my max loss limit, so that is good. I am going to manually lock out my accounts. By clicking yes, you will be locked out from trading anymore until the market open at 5 p.m. on this account. Any positions will be flattened and canceled. This action is irreversible. So I'm gonna lock myself out of this one. Yeah, let me know how y'all did in the comments below. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already to join me on my journey to 100K. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.